YouTube, it's Dominique and I'm back with another video as promised. So today I'm going to this art museum called Superblue, and what Superblue is it's a bunch of light displays with digital installations. So I'm gonna check that out. It's kind of new here to Miami. My ticket is for 11 a.m. It's about 10 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna get ready to head out and I'll keep you guys posted on my journey. I'm so proud of myself. I'm vlogging more, but I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, I made it to Superblue Miami. It looks like no one is here, which is a great thing. It's like 10:45. I'm about to head in, go inside. But this is how it looks. That's the sign. It's so much noise in the background. Okay, that's better. There's so much noise in the background. So many cars, trucks, planes. But I'm here. This is how it looks. First installation, and it's so beautiful. Look at all of the flowers. I feel like it's more light this way, but yeah, there's nobody here. I love when it's just me.